Now, hear this. Now, analyze this. Keep your plant running without unplanned downtime, reduce energy waste, and cut your operating budget. It's easy to save money with UE Systems' remarkable line of ultrasound inspection instruments. The capability of UE Systems ultrasound reaches nearly every area of your plant operations. Test bearings, gears, pumps, motors. Find leaks. Locate electrical emissions before flashover. Test valves and steam traps. Whatever your inspection needs, whatever your budget, UE has a product for you. UE Systems is an international company with offices in Europe, Asia, South America, and North America, and they all follow the same philosophy. Our customer success is our business. We invite you to learn about our commitment to product performance, customer support, and training. Since 1973, UE Systems has been advancing ultrasound technology through product development. In fact, its famous UltraProbe line now consists of 8 incredible models to meet the inspection needs and budget of nearly any organization. Add to that software, one that helps manage test data, shows trends, and reports on your environmental impact, and another used to analyze mechanical, leak, and electrical sound signatures which identify problems long before a failure occurs. Then, add a comprehensive line of training courses ranging from technology implementation and classes on steam and compressed air to certifiable 5-day comprehensive ultrasound technology Level 1 and Level 2 courses. And you have one promising beginning to your plant reliability program. UE Systems is here for you. Ask us how.